Hi and welcome back to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today we're unboxing the POS VP-T3-910-i3 all-in-one touch POS terminal, the perfect balance of performance and affordability for your business. Now, let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside, you'll find a smaller box containing the power cable, along with the POS VP-T3 unit itself. Next, we'll look closely at each individual component. Protective coverings will be removed for a clearer view. We have two versions available, one with a single screen and another with a second screen. For now, we're showcasing the single screen setup. Let's explore the product from every angle to appreciate its design and features. Now, let's take a look at the second version, which includes an additional screen. Let's examine it more closely. This model features an industrial-grade aluminum casing with a true bezel-free design. To continue, we'll open the small box to reveal the power cable inside. Let's proceed to connect it to the POS terminal. We will use the barrel jack connector for this connection. Finally, it's time to turn on the device. Let's wait together as the device goes through its startup process. It might take a little while, but soon we'll be ready to use it. While the device is turning on, you'll see both the first and second screens appear together. Once the device has powered on, we can begin trying it out. It features a high-performance 15-inch LED panel with a 1024 by 768 resolution, powered by an 8th Gen Intel i3 processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 128 GB SSD. Supporting Windows 11 Pro, this device is ideal for retail applications. Despite its high performance, it's cost-effective and backed by a 2-year warranty. Our unboxing ends here. If you're interested in pricing or availability, feel free to reach out to Sektor Malaysia. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.